National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wallace County until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Sharon Springs, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Wallace County. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Wallace, Kansas.